share here. Right. So first we will discuss what is ISTQB, right? And then we will discuss why ISTQB, right? Then how ISTQB. Then we will discuss who can do ISTQB, right? And then rather we will do how ISTQB will be different, right? Then we will discuss about how ISTQB and why from refer me group, right? So these things we will discuss and then we will close this demo session, right? Okay. So that was about, from my side, guys. Let's hear one by one and let's hear your perspectives. So I want to know a few things from your side. One, your name, your location, and why you want to do ISTQB, right? Okay. And I request, in the meantime, I request to each one of you, if you have joined this demo, so please ping in the same WhatsApp group that you have joined, right? So let's start from Shraddhanjali first. Shraddhanjali, can you hear me? And let's, guys, let's make it a two-way communication, I request.
Hi.
Hi, Shraddhanjali, yes?
Hi.
Yes, so Shraddhanjali, your location, your total years of experience, and why you want to do ISTQB.
My location is Puri. I'm from Odisha,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm a software test engineer working in a MNC.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to go for ISTQB because I thought it will enhance my qualities and skills that I recently I'm having currently with me, and this will give me a good future in preference to maybe salary, or in preference to like my skills. It will give a good exposure to the industry that I am currently working in.
Fair enough,
Since
Shraddhanjali. And what
yeah,
is your total years of
that is what
experience?
I have 1.5 years of experience into software testing
Okay.
automation.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Shraddhanjali. Kini? Kini, can you hear me? Okay, guys, in my forum, I am a little bit concerned about the things. If you are not speaking, then I believe that you are just trying just for a formality purpose. So this is your career. I don't have any concern. If any of you is not speaking, I mean, that is your choice, right? Might be some network issue that's taken from granted and benefit of doubt, right? Okay, and Shraddhanjali is ping in the WhatsApp group that you have joined. I am coming to next, who is 213614. I am not sure what is your name.
Yeah, I'll ping in the WhatsApp group.
Sure,
You
thank
said.
you. Thank you,
Okay.
Shraddhanjali. So 213614F2.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay, I'm not sure if you are hearing me or not. Okay. The next is A79DE3B1. DE3B1. Okay. Fair enough. Harika, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, Harika, so I just want to hear your total years of experience, your location, and why you want to do ISTQB.
Yeah, I'm working as a manual tester right now, and I have 6 months of experience.
And your location?
Sorry?
Your location?
I'm working from home. Company is at Lucknow.
Okay, okay, fair enough. And why you want to do ISTQB, Harika?
Just to update myself.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Harika. Just ping in the group so I could aware that you have joined.
Sorry?
In the WhatsApp group, just ping that you have joined.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, thank you. Coming to Abhishek. Abhishek, your total years of experience and why you want to do ISTQB and your location. Okay. So guys, I will take a name 2 times, and after that I will drop the people who have not spoken. So I'm very sorry for that, but yes, that is my rule in my workshop, right? Okay, coming to Akash. Okay, Akash, can you hear me? Okay. Avisarika Tripathi.
Yeah, hi everyone.
Hello.
Hi everyone. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So I'm Avisarika Tripathi and I have 7 years of corporate experience as a quality specialist and team lead. And currently I'm employed with SAP Labs Bangalore, but due to the pandemic, I'm working from home. And I want to do ISTQB for career development and gaining knowledge.
Okay, thank you so much, Avisarika. Okay, next is Pavitra has told Gaurav.
Yeah, I'm Ragesh.
I think there is 2 Gaurav in the group or what?
Yeah, yeah, there are 2 Gaurav. Yeah. So Avisarika, just ping in the WhatsApp group that you have joined. I want to make this two-way communication. Yeah, Gaurav, please go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm working in Bangalore. So I'm having total number of experiences 6. So currently I'm in hometown because of the pandemic, which is in Maharashtra. So I want to join ISTQB because for the career growth as well as to increase the skill set, and I am feeling like it will helpful for me also to gain a knowledge. So yeah, because of that I want to know. And even I just want to understand from you also, like as I'm having a six years of experience, I'm like a team lead in a company. So how the ISTQB can helpful for me, whether means we want to join in start of the career or like after even after getting the 6-7 years of experience. So
Absolutely,
go
absolutely.
for the
Absolutely,
ISTQB, whether it will be helpful for us or not.
Absolutely,
So,
absolutely, Gaurav. So I will cover each of your question, the points which I have written above.
Sure.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you, Gaurav. I just being in the group that you have joined. Next, coming to Hetal. Hetal, I guess you have done ISTQB
sorry,
Foundation.
Gaurav, I was. Hello.
Yes.
Abhishek here, Gaurav.
Yeah, Abhishek, Gaurav. Please tell me.
Sorry, I was speaking on mute that time.
No
I was not able to unmute myself.
No problem. Please,
So
please.
I belong to. I'm in Bangalore, and I had total experience is like approximately 5 years. And I just want to join ISTQB session because of I just want to learn some technical knowledge in testing and like enhance my skill set, which will eventually reflect my career growth and like in my current coming future. Yeah.
Sure. No problem. Thank you so much, Abhishek Gaurav. Next, coming to Shanmuga Priya. Can you hear me, Priya? Okay. Hetal.
Hello.
Yeah.
Gaurav.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Priya.
Actually, I just joined the call, so
No
can
problem.
I know what
No
I need
problem.
to say?
Yeah. So your total years of experience, your location, and why you want to do ISTQB.
Acha, okay. So at the moment, like I am nearly 2 years of experience. Location is Pune, and like I actually want to learn to I want to learn to do like testing.
Okay.
Like I'm not I'm not very aware of how to do testing and all.
No problem. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Priya. So let's make it quick because here total 35 people are here. So we make it quick. Amit Prakash. Okay. Then next is Hetal. Hetal, I guess you have done foundation. So I'm not sure why you have joined. Next, someone by the name of iPhone. Okay. Jayashri.
Hello. Yeah, this is you said iPhone, right? Yeah, this is Stephen and
Okay.
Stephen Jerome, and I have four plus years of experience in software testing. I want to take ISTQB for better career perspective. And I wanted to go for higher levels. So to go to higher levels, I have to first clear the foundation level. So I have tried a couple of times long back, which I was not able to clear. The basic problem which I faced in 2013-14 was I was getting confused in questions and answers. I was thinking all the answers are correct, and I was not able to choose the accurate one.
Okay.
So that's why I'm joining this
No
session.
problem, Stephen. And what is your location?
Ahmedabad.
Okay, Ahmedabad. Okay.
Hi, this is Jayashree.
Yeah, Jayashree. And let's make it quick, guys. Yes, Jayashree.
Yes, I have four plus years of experience in manual and automation QA. And then my location is Chennai, and I want to learn ISTQB just for career growth and to enhance my knowledge.
Okay. Thank you so much, Jayashree. Ruchika.
Hello.
Yeah, Ruchika.
Yeah, hi. I'm having 4 years of experience in manual and automation. Automation, I have 1 year of experience. And yeah, for this I'm looking for my career growth.
Okay. And what is your location, Ruchika?
It's Bangalore.
Oh, okay, thank you. So guys who are just said here, they can ping in the same WhatsApp group. Right. Let's go to next, who is Juliet Razam.
Yes, this is Juliet.
Yeah.
I have 4 years experience in testing, manual testing, and I have joined this demo for a career perspective.
Okay. Thank you so much, Juliet.
Yeah.
Next is Kajal Deshmukh.
Hello.
Yes,
hello, I'm Kajal Deshmukh. I'm from Hyderabad, and I have 3+ years of experience working as a QA and in manual and automation both. And I want to do ISTQB for career growth and skills enhancement. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kajal. Next is in my list is Lindsay Abraham.
Hi, I'm Lindsay. I'm based in Mumbai. I have about 5.9 years of experience, and I want to do ISTQB because there are many jobs that prefer ISTQB as a criteria. So from a career perspective, I want to do that.
Sure. Thank you so much, Lindsay, for sharing. Next is Manoj Chauhan. Okay. Next is Monica. Okay. So
hello,
guys,
Manoj. Hello, sir.
Yeah, Manoj, please tell me.
Manoj here.
Yeah. Hello, Monica.
Hello. Monica, please hold. Yes, Manoj.
Hello, sir. I have total experience is 2.3 years, and I'm living in Pune, Maharashtra. So I want to be updated myself and career growth.
Okay, thank you so much, Manoj. Yeah, Monica.
Yeah, hi, this is Monica from Kolkata. I carry 4 years of experience in automation and manual testing. I'm interested in ISTQB because for my knowledge enhancement as well as to increase my profile voltage.
Okay, thank you so much, Monica. Okay, the next is, some more people have joined. Just a minute. Okay, and guys, just keep yourself on mute if you are not speaking. Manoj, Kajal, Stephen. Okay, so let me move in the same list below. Right. Okay, there is Piyush. Okay, Pradanya.
Yeah, hi all. So I'm Pradnya. I'm from Pune. I have a total year of experience of 2 years. So I'm looking for ISTQB certification since 2 years when I was a fresher. I had taken a training like in advanced diploma in software testing, but I don't have any knowledge like how to give the exam and all. And when recently I have changed my job, and when in the JD, in every JD almost, they mentioned that ISTQB preferred. So I was not having that certificate.
Okay.
So for the career growth, I'm looking for the ISTQB.
Sure, Pradanya. Thank you so much for sharing. Fanindra?
Yeah, good morning, sir, one and all. Also,
yeah,
my name is Fanindra, sir. I have 6 months experience, and I'm from Warangal, and I want to improve my growth in testing. That's why I'm trying for this.
Sure, Fanindra. Thank you so much for sharing. Prasanna?
Yeah, is it Prasanna Challadurai?
Hi, Prasanna.
Yeah, hi. Good morning, everyone. So this is Prasanna, 4.2 years of experience as an automation test engineer based out of Chennai. So I just joined this course. So I have technical skill set as an automation test engineer. So I want to know about the process in testing. So that is the reason I joined.
Okay, thank you so much, Prasanna. Nitin Tithe?
Hey, hi all.
Hello.
Yeah, so I have almost 10 years plus experience. I am working as a full stack QA, but no such formal certification done so far. So for career advancement, I just want to appear for and be a certified one.
Sure, thank you so much, Nitin. And what is your location, Nitin?
Yeah, it's Pune.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, next is Poonam Sahal.
Hello, I have in total 4 years of experience. I'm based out of Jaipur and complete experience is into manual, and I'm looking for this course for career growth.
Okay, thank you so much, Poonam. Next in my list is Rahul.
Yeah, hello team. My name is
Hi.
Rahul Somra. I'm from Punjab, Fagwara. So the main reason is I want to join to improve every perspective in QA. So that's why I'm joining this group.
Sure, thank you so much, Rahul. And what is your total years of experience?
I'm having 4.2 years of experience. I'm currently working in Faridabad.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rahul, for sharing. Next is Ramesh. There is two Ramesh, but one I'm talking about, whose name is only Ramesh. Okay, there is another Ramesh CS.
Yeah. Hi. Good morning, all. This is Ramesh CS. I am from Bangalore, and I have total years of 9 years of experience in testing, manual and automation.
10 years.
9 years.
Okay. Okay. Fantastic.
And I just wanted to do the ISTQB certificate because of career growth and to gain the knowledge regarding whatever the left in testing. So in effective testing.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ramesh, for sharing. And guys, there is a one surprise for each one of you who will stay till the last with us, right? Okay, Rekha DR. Okay, fair enough. And the next is Sai Kiran.
Yeah, hi, yes.
Hello.
So, yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible perfectly.
Yeah, sure. So my name is Sai Kiran and I'm based out of Hyderabad. And I've got 9 years of experience into software testing. And the reason for doing this ISTQB certification is for the career growth.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Sai Kiran, for sharing. And the next is Somit. Somit, if you can hear me.
Hello.
Yeah, so
good morning. Yeah. So I am from Kolkata and I have almost 6 years of experience and basically doing ISTQB. I want to go for certification and
Sumit, we are not able to hear you. Sumit, Sumit, you can type in the chat. Sumit, okay. Sumit, we are not able to hear you. So please do one thing. Just type in the same chat box. I will read on your behalf, right? Yeah, thank you. I will read on your behalf. Right. Okay, thank you. Next is Stephen.
Thank you. Next is Stephen.
Stephen, can you hear me? Stephen, Jerome?
Yes, actually, I said before. Actually, I joined from iPhone, and later on I joined from laptop. I have, I think, next to Jayshree is my name, so you can skip.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Okay.
No worries.
Okay. In my list, the next is Shriprita. Shripita, can you hear me? If you are speaking, you're on mute. Okay. Tarun?
Hi, I have around 3 years of experience, and I am located in Coimbatore. I'm looking for a certification from a recognized institute, and as well as for career growth.
Thank you so much, Tarun, for sharing. Next is Vijay Kumar.
Hi, this is Shiprita.
Yeah, hi, Shripita.
Hi, so actually I have 2 years of experience in TCS, Pune. And
Why you want to do ISTQB, Shripita?
I just want to know more about this.
Okay, fair enough. Vijay?
Yeah, hi. I have around 6 years of experience.
Mm-hmm.
The work location is Bangalore. ISTQB for me would be a good value add-on on the resume for job change, and would be like some new learning.
Okay, thank you so much, Vijay, for sharing. Moving to the next, Bhaskar. Okay. Next is Priyanka. So guys, just keep yourself on mute if you are not speaking. Okay. Priyanka. Okay. Coming to next, there is a Ragul S. Okay. And there was someone was speaking by the name of Megha, if I'm not wrong. So can you please speak again? Megha, if you are speaking, please speak again. Someone has raised the hand. If you can ask, you can unmute yourself and ask your query. Okay. And there is Mohit also in this forum, I can see. Mohit, you want to share something? And there is MI10 also. So who is MI10? Anyway, okay. So someone has raised the hand, 213614F2. Please, if you can unmute yourself and please ask, please speak.
Yeah, so this is 213614F2.
What's your name, please?
Yeah, I'm Shubham. I'm located in Pune.
Okay.
I have total 3 years of experience in automotive software testing. And I want to do ISTQB for future growth as well as opportunities.
Fantastic, sir. Thank you so much. There is Anurag also, and the people from whom I haven't heard. Anurag A79DE3B1. There is, I guess, I haven't heard from Hetal. I haven't heard from Piyush. I haven't heard from Ramesh. One Ramesh I have, Sumit I have heard. I haven't heard from Bhaskar, Priyanka, and Rahul. So, Priyanka, you want to say something?
Yeah, this is Anurag here.
Yeah, Anurag, please tell me.
Yeah, hi, I'm Anurag and I'm from Indore. I have 2 years of experience as a manual tester. And I want the ISTQB certificate for a growth purpose.
Okay, thank you so much, Anurag. Thank you, Anurag, for sharing. Priyanka and Rakules, you want to share something? Then we move further. And I haven't heard from. Okay, fair enough, guys. I mean, it is your choice if you do not want to speak. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yep.
Yeah, this is Priyanka from
Yeah,
Raleigh.
Priyanka.
And I'm working in a data of technologies, and I have experience 1.4 year. I have experience in software testing, and I want to do ISTQB for my growth purpose in my career. That's it.
Okay, and which location you are, Priyanka?
Currently, I'm in Pune.
Thank you so much, Priyanka, for sharing. And
Yeah. Hi. Hi, sir. My host ID is AE. It is in the top.
Yeah. Please tell me.
A79. Yeah. I'm Rakesh.
Yeah, Rakesh.
Like I have 2 years of experience in software testing, both manual and automation. So I'm looking for ISTQB, like that will add value to my resume, and I'll get more job opportunities, as well as I'll get the skill that is mainly required for software testing.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rakesh, for sharing.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, Rekha here.
Yeah, Rekha.
Yeah. So I wanted to do this ISTQB certification is like for the practical and the application of the knowledge, like which we are like using daily. And then ISTQB certification is like widely known actually. So, and then it will add a value to my resume and then like in upcoming years. So that's the reason I wanted to do an ISTQB certification.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rekha. And what is your total years of experience in your location?
Yeah, it's like a 5.4 years. And I'm from Bangalore.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rekha, for sharing. And again, guys, please. Yes.
Yeah, my name is Kini. From the top.
Yeah, Kini, please tell me.
Yeah, I have 7 years of experience and based out of Bangalore. And reason for doing that is it's been on my agenda for a long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
Thank you.
I'm Harika here.
Yeah, Harika.
My location is not Lucknow. It's Hyderabad. Office is at Lucknow.
Okay. Thank you so much, Harika. So, guys, I request to each one of you, whomsoever have shared about yourself, please ping in the same WhatsApp group. So, in case we have another forum that we help people for their career. So, if something is related to you, definitely I will help you in that sense as well. That's the reason I'm asking. You can ping there, right? Okay. Now let's move on, and I request each one of you just keep yourself on mute, so it will be easy for me to communicate. As I have told you, my name is Mitesh, and I am having 15 plus years of experience. From last 4 years, I am teaching this ISTQB, and before that, I was teaching to the manual guys. Why ISTQB? Because I really love the concept in testing, and my thought process is only that testing is always considered as a secondary. Those people who are from a testing professionals have considered as a second citizen into IT, which I seriously do not believe they are, because they are the most important chain in any IT organization, and without them, any product cannot be go into a production, right? Visambara, you can ping individual on the same WhatsApp group, on the same WhatsApp number, we will connect. Now let's talk about what is ISTQB and why people do ISTQB. So first, let's understand what is ISTQB. Basically, ISTQB is nothing but it is known as your International Software Testing Qualification Board. Are you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Okay. So basically, ISTQB is one of the renowned certification into a testing, right? And more than 10 lakh, you can see here the number, 10 lakh 30,000 people as per the 2021 January. 10 lakh 30,000 people have given the exam, and out of them 7 lakh 50,000 has cleared the exam. Now you can understand the success ratio here. Around 129 countries worldwide. What is the meaning of 229? 129 countries, which means this certification is known as the worldwide. If you say you are ISTQB certified, you are working in India and you go to another location, people will recognize, oh, the person is ISTQB certified. That's very nice, right? But again, the certification clearing the ratio is not very good, right? Now, coming to the knowledge, why ISTQB? In a different country. If you will open, if I just click here on a worldwide, so every country have their own certification board, right? Like in India, it is known as ITB. That's the Indian Testing Board. In another country, like you have heard so many times, there is a UKTB, American board. What is the difference? There is no difference. If you will click here, there is a Canadian board, CSTB. There is a USA board, ASTQB. There is a Kazakhstan. There is a China. There is a India. There is a Russia. There is Australia. Every country has their own testing board, and they fall under one umbrella. That's ISTQB, International Software Testing Qualification Board, right? So from wherever you are doing the ISTQB, that doesn't matter. But yes, from last 40-45 batches, including corporate as well, what I have felt that people who are from ITP certified, that's from Indian Testing Board, they are given more values. Why? Because it is one of the toughest certification across among all, right? You can get so many easy question, very easy to clear the exam in ASTQB in Canadian or anywhere. But in Indian Testing Board, it is really a little bit tough, right? And that is the reason, in comparison to other boards which are falling under ISTQB, ITP is considered one of the toughest exam, and people are valued, right? Now, coming to ITP, which I am talking about, basically, this is your official website of Indian Testing Board, right? They have a lot of courses, right? Foundation, advanced, agile extension, then model based, that's then Selenium tester, another certification they have added like cloud, API, artificial intelligence, DevOps, multiple certifications. But to move on to these further like advanced and agile, you have to be foundation certified. And apart from that, if I talk about ISTQB, if you do the ISTQB, you have validity up to lifetime. Once you do the ISTQB, it will be valid for the lifetime. So here I have covered what is ISTQB, right? And let's now talk about why ISTQB. So any question, any doubt till now? What is ISTQB? Any of you? Okay, so I consider as a no. Then now let's move on to why ISTQB. Why people do ISTQB, right? So here one person is in this forum who is having 10 plus years of experience. Okay, Nitin, are you there? Nitin, Tithe, are you there?
Yeah, tell me.
Okay. So Nitin, you have taken interview in your career. I am sure you have 10 plus years of experience, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me ask you a very practical question, and for others, it's like a upfront demo for you guys. Nitin, let me ask a very upfront question to you. Let's suppose you send one requirement to your HR that you need 2 to 4 or 5 years of experience in your team of a testing professional, right? Which needs like a domain and technical automation, blah, blah, so many things. And HR sends you around 50 resumes to you in one day, right? What will be the first criteria for you to shortlist those resumes? Because obviously you cannot take interview for those 50 resumes. What is your criteria to shortlist those resumes?
Yeah, with that experience, it will be, the first filter will be, certificate, the people who are certified, along with the, feedback from the first round. So that's the one. And with what I have experienced is, I think mentioned with Pavitra from Chennai, he has also mentioned it's a first basic filter most of the testing interviews.
Absolutely.
So that's the one. Yeah.
Absolutely.
And I have also experienced the same when I was applying for the jobs. So
Absolutely.
two-way, yeah.
Absolutely, Nitin. Thank you so much for sharing. But one question again: do you think the person is any of the person who is certified is having a knowledge?
Well, that's not something related. But most of the times the person who is certified also gets rejected because of some common knowledge issues.
Yeah, I understand. So guys, thank you so much, Nitin, and we appreciate that Nitin has shared. So here we need to understand any certification will not give you a surety of a selection. So if any of you have a thought that I will be ISTQB certified, I will get a job, no. Yes, but certification will help you to shortlist your resume, like Nitin has said. Believe me, in my career, in 15 years of a career, I have done more than 38 certification. And I never found at any place of the time wherever I have sent the resume, whether it is any of the organization and I have worked for a very blue chip companies like Barclays, JP Morgan, Saxo Bank, Morgan Stanley, PepsiCo. And right now I'm working with one of the major bank in India. It is MNC. It's a Citibank, right? I'm working for that. My resume has never been came this reply that your resume has not been shortlisted. Not because, and it is only because of the certification I have done. Again, it is secondary question that I have cleared the round or not. That's a secondary thing. But yes, my resume has not been stopped anywhere. This is why people do ISTQB. First thing. Second thing, It is in ISTQB, whenever you will go with the chapters, you will go with the course, you will find there are so many things testing professionals do not know. They do in their regular tasks, but they are not aware about the actual meaning of that. Why we are doing that? What is the purpose of that? How we can contribute in a more success, or how we can contribute in a very good way, right? So that is why to enhance the knowledge, we do ISTQB. Usually what I propose that one of the question has been asked in one of the participants here, at what stage we should go ISTQB. So I propose usually, I mean, again, there is no delay. I have taught people from fresher to 18 years of experience in my training. But I usually prefer up to 1 to 3 years, we should go with the foundation. Then for next 4 to 6 years, you should go with the advanced. And any automation or something, any agile, right? Or then next 7 to 9 years, you should go for a special skills like DevOps, AI certification. So these certification you should go accordingly, right? But yes, foundation is the mandatory one.
Hi Nitesh, can you repeat it?
Okay.
About 1 to 3 years, what specification we need to upgrade?
Okay. So basically what I recommend people that up to 1 to 3 years, people should do foundation course, and this is mandatory, right? Even here, the numbers which you have seen, the number, it was 10,30,000. Do you think that only 10,30,000 QA or testing professionals around the world? No, it will be in crores, it will be in millions, right? But only these people do, right? So it doesn't mean that these people who are doing the certification have some extra things, but yes, they have taken the decision, and that is why they have some extra value add-on in their career. Whenever you put certification logo in your resume, believe me, it will give a gravity to your resume. So coming back to the question, like up to 1 to 3 years, people should do foundation. Then 4 to 6 years, they should go. Rather, I should mark it as a up to 4 to 5 years, they should do the agile, right? Let me write it so it will be easy. Then up to 7 to 8 years, they should go for advanced. That is your test analyst, technical test analyst, or a manager, right? And then for I can say 9+ years, you should go for special certifications, which is as per the ISTQB, like DevOps, AI, so many things, so many technologies are there. Right? So this is the way we should do the ISTQB certification. So guys, any question, any doubt till now that what is ISTQB and why ISTQB? Okay. Now who do ISTQB? So even in my workshop, I have seen people are who are a fresher. They are just graduate recently from engineering college or from non-technical background as well. They have done the ISTQB. There is no restriction who can do the ISTQB. And people who realize at their 10, 12 or 13 years of experience that ISTQB is important, right? Then they have done the certification. So there is no any special or no any thumb rule that who should do ISTQB. Any of the person who is from technical, from non-technical can do ISTQB, right? Now, how to do ISTQB? Believe me. Okay, till now, any question, guys? Any of you, Bhaskar, Abhishek, Akash, Anurag, Avisarika, Divya, Gaurav, Harika, any of you?
No, Nitesh.
Okay. No, Nitesh. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's move on to how ISTQB. So guys, ISTQB is one of the simple toughest exam. I should quote the word simple toughest exam. Right? Why I'm saying simple? It is theoretical base, right? Sorry, it is a practical base. Question, if you will see question papers, they are confusing, right? Even a single meaning, like if I'm writing may or if I'm writing might or if I'm writing could, right? There is a huge difference of a complete statement meaning. That is why it is toughest. And why it is simple? Because it is a practical based questions and practical knowledge. It is not theoretical. Each chapter, there are 6 chapters in ISTQB. Each chapter have their own weightage and they have the same importance, right? Each chapter has a different concept. So let's talk about those concepts. Someone has ping, okay. Basically, there are 6 chapters in ISTQB, right? And in the meantime, let me open the course curriculum also. In the meantime, it is opening. Let's discuss about this. So there are basically 6 chapters in ISTQB syllabus, and each chapter they have a weightage, the number of questions they ask. The first chapter contains 7 questions, 6 questions from chapter number 2, 3 questions from chapter number 3. Chapter number 4 is most important chapter, which contains 12 questions around. Chapter number 6, 5 contains 8 questions and 6 contains 4 questions. Total 40 questions has been asked. It is an examination of 70 minutes around, and 26 is the passing marks, right? If any of you are getting 26 marks, the 25 marks person will be failed. If any person is getting 26 marks, person is passed. In my 41 batches, there was a one girl in my 11th batch who was a fresher, has scored 39 out of 40 marks, and I'm waiting someone who can crack this this record. And believe me, I have announced even a last batch and in all my batches that if any of person is going to record break this record, means getting even 39 out of 39, all complete workshop fees will be refunded, and discount will be given in upcoming workshop as well, other workshop which we do, right? Their concepts has been divided as per the K1 level, that's a knowledge level. K1 is just for a knowledge, K2 is your practical approach, and K3 and K4 is your application. On that basis, your syllabus is classified. If I open the syllabus, this is the latest one, 2018 syllabus, on which a question has been asked. Okay, one more thing I haven't mentioned to you guys. For ITB, here, if you will see, then Mr. Vipul Kochar is the president of Indian Testing Board. And whenever you get your certification from ISTQB, Vipul Kochar is the person who signed on that certificate, right? And Vipul Kochar is one of my very good friend and my mentor as well. Okay, now coming to here, like this chapter, the first chapter is about the fundamental of testing. This clears all the concept about testing. Why testing? What is importance of a testing? What are the different ways, how it is dependent on the different domains? Is the domain having importance while doing a testing? Yes, this teaches in fundamental of a testing. This teaches in the first chapter. You guys won't believe, like there is a principle in other field, there is a principle in testing as well. These are known as your 7 drafts or 7 testing principles, right? What is the testing process? What is the psychology, right? In first chapter we cover that. So here they are just making your base in the testing. The second chapter is about the life cycle, right? Like your V model, your waterfall, your agile, your less, your DAT, multiple models which they are talking about in SDLC. That's in the second chapter, right? That's a sequential, and that's a sequential model or into a iterative or incremental. So we will study about these models here. Then they talk about multiple levels. Then they talk about multiple types. People are confused if I ask what type of a testing, they will say it's a black box, white box, but it is more than that. That's a functional, non-functional, change related. Then what is the correlation between test type and test levels, right? Then maintenance testing, which is not exactly part of your STLC, that's a software testing lifecycle model. It is something different, another phase as per the ISTQB. Then third chapter, we are talking about static testing, that's a review. Why review is important, which kind of a people gets engaged, what are the different process, how you can make a review successful, what is a checklist, right? What a technique we should apply, what is a scriber, what is a facilitator, scrum master, what is the role of a different people, who can participate into a review process, how management should support review. That we study in static testing in chapter number 3. Then fourth chapter tells you how to write your test cases, right? There are multiple ways to write a test case. Basically, if we will talk about in category of a testing, then there is a tool: white box, black box, and experience based. We guys are aware only black box and the white box, right? So we write our test cases on the basis of black box testing techniques. Like we do equivalence partitioning, boundary value, and we do sometimes decision, and we write our test case, or sometimes we GUI. But at as per the ISTQB, it tells you more than that, more ways to cover your requirement. That is your black box, where we cover equivalence partition, boundary value, decision, state transition, use case. In a white box, we cover the statement testing and coverage, decision testing, the value of those. In experience based, now, if you have done with your test cases, then why this experience based? This experience based testing techniques tells you what are the different and better way you can generate your test cases. And believe me, people who are ISTQB certified, having a knowledge and applying them, their test cases are marvelous, believe me. The difference between a normal testing professional and person who's ISTQB certified, you can find a clear difference in writing their test case or designing the test case. Where the experience based, we have a few techniques like error based, experience, that is a session based, checklist based. Then in fifth chapter, they are talking about the test management, in which they are talking about different roles into a testing organization, like test manager, senior tester, test lead, tester. Then what is the difference between test plan and how you do the estimation? What is the difference between test strategy? Why importance of a definition of ready, definition of done, acceptance criteria, who writes that, what should we include in these definition, how we should decide the execution schedule, how we should decide that the test cycle, what should be the test cycle, then how we can put the monitoring and control, how we can do the configuration, what a risk should be covered into a testing, product base or project base, which document should contain product risk, which document should contain project risk, how we can include them in our test cases differently, right? Then in fifth chapter, again, they are talking about the defect management. Usually we raise the defect, and believe me, in my workshop, I have seen that people have a knowledge about defect management, but not very effective. In ISTQB, we learn about those concepts, right? Then in sixth chapter, we talk about why tools is important, why we should use tools, which kind of tools are important in different perspective of a testing, like in manual, automation, in coding, in specialized testing like security, performance, compatibility, right? Multiple type of tools which we use, and how effectively we can use. And if you want to introduce any tool, so what are the precautions you should take care while introducing the tool? What types of a tool, like a tripleware, shareware, freeware, middleware, right? So many types of a tool, and which tool we should use for which purpose, right? So this was about how ISTQB and what is ISTQB syllabus, right? Now let's talk about, so till now, any doubt, any of you? Abhishek, Akash, Amit, Anish, Anurag, Abhisarika, Gaurav, Harika, Jayashri, Juliet, Kajal, Kini, Lindsay, Manoj, MI10, Monica, Nitin, Phanindra, Piyush, Pradanya, Prasanna, Priyanka, Poonam, Rahul, Ramesh, both Ramesh, Rekha, Riya, Rachika, Sai Kiran, Sanmukha, Shraddhanjali, Sripita, Somit, Tarun, Tej, Vijay, and December. In any question till now?
No.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
Now,
hi Nitin.
Yeah, Riya, please tell
Yeah,
me.
no, sir. I don't have any questions. Like,
Okay, thank you so much, Manu. Yes, Riya, you have some question?
Yeah, is that like we will be given just the documents of all these materials to study, or we will be guided also through this?
So Riya, that is my next topic. Why a refer me book, right? So let's talk about that. Fine?
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Yes,
And
fine.
Riya, you have recently joined. I haven't
will
heard
share my
from your side.
some queries.
Yeah, sorry, I was busy with some other things
No
at
problem.
home,
No
so
problem. So Riya, you can share your total years of experience and
yeah,
your location.
it's 3+ years of experience, and I work in Bangalore in automation testing profile.
Okay, and why you want to do ISTQB?
It's just like 3+. So if I like want to go for a better company when I switch for the next, so it will be a better opportunity for me.
Okay. Okay, fair enough. Manoj, you were asking something? Riya, you can switch off your video, not required. Manoj, you were asking something? No, we don't require any programming language, Harika.
No, sir. I will touch you soon.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's talk about why refer me group, right? So first, let me share you something, then we will proceed further. So I'm just opening, I'm just searching Refer Me Group on Google, and you can do it on your site. You can also search, right? And see here, we have around 359 Google reviews by the people who have done the workshop with us, and we have 4.8 rating, right? Let me show you some of the reviews. And our website is also Refer Me Group. So we are 7-year-old edutech company. It's not training institution, it's edutech. The difference between edutech and training institution is that in training institution, they focus on training, but in edutech, we focus on your value, right? Now, if I click on the newest, you will find few of the reviews which is given by the people from 41 batch. Dharmin, he is from Mumbai. Rajesh, he is from Delhi, right? Sanjeev, again from Hyderabad, right? Archana, she is from Ghaziabad itself. She has the nice ISTQB. Priyanka is from Mumbai. Apurva is from Hyderabad, I guess. Nidhi is from Gurgaon. Nagarjuna, right? And so these people have given reviews about ISTQB. I'm not going in detail on that. You can go and review and you can check on that, right? Now let's talk about few things here. What kind of things that we share in our batches? So basically, there is absolutely no need for you, if you are into a workshop, to refer any other document. All the things are covered in this way, right? Everything is in a detail. And if I tell you about the 41st batch, so it's a 2-month course and people are here like a family. So he is sharing something, and you can find there are 15 people in this forum, in this workshop. People are from Bangalore, Delhi, Germany, Ghaziabad, Gorakhpur, Hyderabad, London, Mirzapur, and Mumbai, Noida, Pune, Surat, UAE. Right? People are from different locations, and this is the way we do workshop, right? And this is the way I share the document, or I share the study material with those people, right? Now, coming to another part, and these are the study material which I share, which I have prepared, right? And around 17 complete mock test paper has been shared to the people. Like here you can see, I have shared all the people because for them workshop has been finished. Now they are practicing. So these complete 17 mock test paper has been shared to those people. Apart from that, once we finish each chapter, so we share the chapter-wise mock test paper to each people. So you have a set of around 800 questions, and believe me, people have found that approximately 35 to 40% questions has been asked from the material or from the question bank which I shared, right? Then once they have done with their workshop, then we have another group which you can see. This is the exam group, right? And people who are prepared, they just join these group. Like here you can see people are clearing, and they are getting out from the group once they clear the examination, right? Now coming to here, how to give the exam. So nowadays ISTQB has provided the facility. It will be online. You can give the exam from your place, and you can book the exam from your behalf as well. But what is the difference if any of you are giving the exam through Refer Me Group? So basically, from Refer Me Group, you get a discount, right? Like I have mentioned. Okay, so like I have mentioned here, our next exam date is 19th of June, right? If any of the person is giving exams to Refer Me Group, they get a discount and they get the examination. They give the examination fees of 4760, and if anyone is giving exam through by their own, the examination fees is 5460. So there is approximately difference of 700 rupees. Why we get this discount? Let's talk about that, right? So let me show you something. This is official website of Indian Testing Board. If you will click on affiliated companies, you can find your company name as well here, right? When you will go on R, right? This is the only, even there are so many players in the market, like I'm not going to take the name, but they are not affiliated with Indian Testing Board. We are the only educational company, educational institution who have affiliation with Indian Testing Board. Here you can see it's a refer me group, right? We have affiliation with them, and that is the reason people get a discount, right? Now, one more thing, each and every session is recorded. Let me show you that as well. This is the foundation batch. And this is for 40th batch, this is for a 41 batch. So let me open this. So see, each chapter and each recording of every class, even we do the revision as well, right? Each topic has been shared and it is having a lifetime sharing. There is nothing that after some time we will revoke it. It will be shared for the lifetime. So each videos has been shared, right? And everything with you handy. Any of the time you can go and refer that, right? So there was a one question, I guess, Ria, from your side, how we execute the program, right?
Right.
Right. So I hope you got the answer.
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay. So any question till now, guys?
So it is in a 2 months course, right, Nitin?
Yes. So let me come back to here. Okay, write it down. Okay. So it is 2 months duration, right? And it will be weekend class, right? That is on Saturday and Sunday, right? Timing we don't decide, right? Because timing is as per the participant's choice. It doesn't mean that individually, if 10 people are there, one is saying at 9 o'clock, one is saying at 10 o'clock, one is saying at 11 o'clock. So obviously it cannot be, but it will be on the majority people. So I proceed with the timing, which is liked by the majority people, right? So any question, any doubt here?
Yeah, but Nitin, suppose like if you start by 10 or 11, so it will be like 4-5 hours class, or like
No,
what is the
no,
duration?
it will be 2 hours.
Okay.
2 hours each day.
And Nitish, like we all have to do that foundation like certification, or anyone who is having 3 to 4 years experience, 3 to 5, they can do for automation too.
I guess, Ria, you have missed the initial part. Any of you can do ISTQB at any point of time in your career. One thing. Second thing, if you go for an advanced level of certification into ISTQB, then you have to be foundation certified. For example, if you are going for Agile, then you have to be foundation certified. If you are going for advanced like test analyst, technical test analyst, or test manager, you have to be foundation certified. For automation, there is no need.
Automation there is?
There is no need. But obviously, if you are going for automation and if any person doesn't have a manual knowledge, there is no use of that.
Okay, it is it is a serial ways. Like first we need to complete the foundation, then only we can complete another certification in IST.
Yes, Monica. Let me show you as well. Why to keep it like that? If I go on Agile, right? So here you can see what is the entry criteria to take the ISTQB Agile Tester Foundation? The candidate must hold ISTQB Foundation certificate, right? So whenever you go and register for Agile, they will ask the registration which you have done or the ISTQB Foundation that you have done. It's a mandatory.
So, Nitesh, if we are going for any automation testing role, so in that respect, how like this foundation certificate is going to help? They will consider it, or it will be no use?
Obviously, so Monica, as I said, like at initial, Nitin has shared, certification will help you to get the calls, right? They will not help you to crack the interview. They will help you to increase your knowledge. But yes, at one point of time, they will help you to shortlist your resume. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Any more question, guys? Okay.
Yeah, Nitin, you told for this timing of the classes will be as per participant's choice. So it's like when in a meeting we decide upon a time, or personally you will be teaching everyone differently?
No, it will be decided in the group.
Okay.
Right. And guys, one more thing I haven't shared with you, like Refer Me Group is 7-year-old edutech company, and we are association with more than 80,000 plus professionals. This is apart from this ISTQB. And in a month, we share more than 3,000 jobs related to QA. So if anyone wants to join, you can ping individual as well. You can, we will share the link with you to join our Refer Me Group. Okay, now coming back to here, how to execute the workshop, right? So here, the workshop fees is 7,000 rupees, right? And it does not include exam fee, right? And there is an early bird discount. Thousand INR, which means if any of you are doing the registration today, registration means at least transfer minimum 2,000 INR, right? Valid for 5th June. Correct. Now coming to next. In case if any of you have transferred the amount right after the first workshop, if any of you are saying the time is not suiting for me, or if the person is saying I don't feel comfortable, right, I cannot continue, the 100% amount will be refunded, right? If any of you are not continuing, correct? Now, as I said, there is a one surprise for you guys. So there is in this forum, there are two people who have joined the Refer Me Group workshop. Monica, who has done complete automation with Refer Me Group, and there is a Pradanya who was a part of 41th batch, but because of some circumstances, she has not completed the workshop, and she is continuing with the same. In the last workshop, the workshop fees was 5,000 rupees. She will continue with the same price. We have increased the fees first time in 42nd batch. Before 41 batch or before 42nd batch, the workshop fees was 5,000 rupees. So now onwards, we have increased the price. I mean, it was 6,000, 1,000 rupees discount. So I just request to Pradanya and Monica, if you both of you can share your experience with Refer Me Group, that will be helpful for other people who have joined first time this demo. Monica?
Yeah, like I have completed the full stack automation from Refer Me, and Pradeep sir was there, and he was very like he explained us very well, and he was there explaining the logic and understanding the concept even after completing the certification also. Whenever the thing is that whatever he has done, like if we go along with the flow and with the everyday module, if we go through, then our concept will be clear. But if we leave after doing the certification, if we don't like repeat that or don't practice on that, then it will not be much helpful.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So Yeah.
Absolutely.
So
Thank you so
this
much.
is
Yeah.
what we find upon. We were 3 group of friends. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Absolutely.
like one of them who has like the people who has practiced during the during the session as well as after that. So and Pradeep sir was there. He like explained the concept very well. So they were able to overcome with the automation interviews, but the people who have left it after doing the uh, session, they were not able to crack. So this is what.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Monica. Absolutely, you were absolutely right. Thank you so much for sharing. Pradanya, are you there? Pradanya,
I
are you
think
there?
that Pradnya is not me. I think that one is not me. I'm also Pradnya.
Oh, I'm sorry. I guess Amrita or Pradanya, someone by the same name. Anyways, I think I am mistaken. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not sure if that girl has shown. Anyways, okay. So guys, here again, the last thing which I need to cover. If any of you need a fee receipt to for reimbursement into your organization, we provide the fee receipt as well. That will be 18% GST, because without GST you cannot claim into your organization. So we charge 18% GST on top of your workshop fees, and then you can get the fee receipt as well. By doing the registration, you can do Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, and account transfer, any of the things whichever is suitable to you. So here I have done with my demo. If any question, any of the things which you want to ask, you can ask.
Yes, Nitin. This is Saikiran here.
Yeah.
Instead of attending the 2 months course, will you be sharing the material so that when we go through that material, will we be able to clear the exam?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
Only with the material.
Yeah. No, not only with the material, I cannot ensure you, right? With only material, but you have to be in a workshop also. And our success ratio till 40th workshop, because 41 workshop will give the exam, our success ratio is 99.9%. Only 1 or 2 people have failed. Rest, everyone has cleared the exam till now.
Okay.
Nitin, what if like someone misses his workshop? So is there any recordings for anything available after that?
Right. That's a very good question, Abhishek Gaurav, you have asked. So in case if anyone misses the class, you have to inform me in advance, right? One thing. Second thing is that like on my screen, you can see recording for each chapter and each video has been shared. Rest, we do the revision as well, right? Like the chapter 1 revision we have done. And if any of the person have doubt on any topic, we do the revision as well. And every class which start, the structure is for a 2 hour initial 10 to 15 minutes. We discuss what we have learned in the previous class. Then we move further. I'm sorry.
Nitesh, and these are downloadable. We can save it in our local.
You can. I mean, you have a download access as well.
Yes, earlier we were having. And
Yeah.
is there like EMI facilities too?
Yes, that's a good thing. So, Monica, you can pay fee. Two installment within 1 month duration, right?
And 18% GST is included within that 7,000?
No. If you need a fee receipt, then it is extra 18% GST you have to give, because that goes to a government.
Okay, and any certifications provided after completion of this training?
After this, you have to go for ISTQB examination, which you will fill the form here, right, on their website, and you also get the fee receipt from there with the GST, and you should get the examination. I mean, there is no use if I give you certificate like completion of ISTQB workshop.
So Nitin, what is the discount amount that we are going to get for the ISTQB certification exam when we go through permit group?
Okay, so this is the examination fees, like I have mentioned, right? If you give exam to refer me group, right, you get the certification at cost of 4760. right? If you give exam by yourself, then the examination cost is 5460.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Sanmita, please tell me.
Yeah. As someone was talking about the automation course, so how like what is the duration of that?
Okay, so you can ping individual. We have a demo tomorrow at 11 o'clock for a complete automation. So you can ping individual. I will share the link, and Pradeep is the right person who will commit it. I'm not expert. Yeah. If any of your friend is also interested, you can let us know, because we have a referral policy as well. If you refer someone and person joins, then we share the referral amount as well. Right. Okay. So guys, any more question?
So Nitish, when I search online, it says course fee for the foundation level exam is 4580 for the public exam and 4000 for corporate exam.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
like,
Coming here.
yeah. So is that,
If you are talking about
has
this
that
one,
changed?
yes, I am coming on that. That's a very good point, Lindsay, you have raised. So here, if you will see, this is your public exam and this is your corporate exam. I mean, previously we were doing with the same price. Refer Me Group were given the discount and it was 4130. But this is your physically, if you go at the center, right? The examination fees. And
Okay.
due to a COVID, they have stopped giving the examination at their center.
Okay.
So this is for a physical paper. If you will, like if you will do the registration, you will find it, right? That what is the pieces there. Okay, so guys, any more question? Anything else you would like to ask?
I think you already answered, but I think I missed that one. Is there any validity period for the certification once
It's a
we
lifetime.
get the...
It's a lifetime.
Okay. And when we are starting the workshop?
That's a very good question. So from coming weekend, we will start.
Next weekend.
Okay.
Nitish, this is Nitin here.
Yeah, hi Nitin.
So just want to ask, like, how many attempts are allowed in the exam?
Why you are thinking on that? I mean, I don't prefer to answer. Yeah. I mean, in ISTQB, in ISTQB, people have cleared in one attempt, right? So, I mean, honestly speaking, there is no any limitation. But honestly speaking, I do not want to prefer to give the answer on this, because why we think if you are including or if you are investing on yourself, why I think that if I get failed, why not? I am thinking that what if I will get passed?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so any more question, guys? Gaurav, Sai Kiran, Fanindra, Abhishek, Akash, Anurag, Abhisarika, Harika, Gaurav, Jayashree, Kajal, Kini, Lindsay, Monica, Nitin, and Piyush, Pradanya, Prasanna, Poonam, Ramesh, Rahul, Ramesh, Riya, Rekha, Sanmuga, Shraddhanjali, Swamit, Tarun, Tej, Vijay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Google Pay or Paytm is done by the same number which was created by the WhatsApp
Yes,
number.
it is 8860338856.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, a WhatsApp number, sir? How to join in group?
Okay, so you can ping it the same WhatsApp number in which you are added. So our WhatsApp number is 7678573511. Okay.
So just to repeat, like if we register today, the fee would be
6,000.
Okay. And exam fee would be when we register for the exam, right? Like
After 2 months, once
Okay.
we will finish the examination, once we will finish the workshop.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Nitish, can you share your account details also?
Yeah, I can share. I can. It is ICICI. I will share the detail. So if not any more question, guys, we can close this demo here. Just one request. Guys, nowadays technologies are changing very fast, right? We are always wonder, oh, my friend has got a very good package. Oh, my people from, I'm not location constrained, but we are surprised that people from Bangalore have a very good package. Why? Because those people invest on themselves. Believe me, since my starting of my career, when I was a fresher, I have decided that at least 10% of my package I will invest on myself to learn something or do the certification. And that 10% returns me at least as a 30% hike in my salary, whether I was in the organization or I have changed my career, right? It doesn't matter you do ISTQB certification with Refer Me Group or you go for Udemy or you go for any other trainer or any other institution. It doesn't matter for me, right? If you come with Refer Me Group, you will be like a family. And believe me, not only ISTQB I teach, but I teach other concept as well. Here in, I thought Pradanya has joined, but she has missed, like in defect management, you can see, or other things I share, right? I share the concept or I share the knowledge, whatever I have related to testing. You go on Udemy, take the paper, solve the paper, clear the ISTQB, that's it. You go on YouTube, multiple free videos are there, learn from there, whatever it is. But why we do or why we choose any institution to do any workshop or clear the certification? Because there is a one thing, that's a discipline, which is a very important, right? We people initially start by taking YouTube videos, and later on we start, oh, I have a time, then I will do it. So for the regularity, we go with any of the training institution. That's why Refer Me Group is important. Or as I said, it doesn't important from wherever you are doing. If you think that you are self-managed, if you are self-inspired, you can try by yourself. But most important is that please upgrade yourself, which is a very important, and nowadays it is demanded, right? Because career have so many options and so many things to learn. And believe me, nowadays companies are giving lot of good packages and very good hikes in your whenever you change the job. And there is no location constraint as well nowadays because of the COVID and because of the work from home. So the options are very high, right? So I have done with my demo here. If you have any doubt, you can ping individual, and I request please share your feedback in the same WhatsApp group so other people who have not joined can watch our YouTube channel where I will share this recording, right? So one last thing, any more question? It's the last question. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for joining. Have a wonderful day. Stay home, stay healthy. Someone has pinged. Okay. Thank you, Richika. Stay home, stay healthy. Just take care of yourself, your loving one, and be safe, right? And upgrade yourself. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.